back in business. This one good. And got the molding in there. So, I can fix that shit. Oh my goodness, I'm sick about it. I ain't worried about it. It's gonna be fixed. This mug about to get painted. Once it's painted, slap it back on there. Shit, I gotta get this motherfucker out there. Damn shifter cable. But, whew. Here is the before. Y'all see that? That's the before. I'll show y'all what it looked like after. Damn. All right. Y'all see it? Yep, the bumper is off. It's reading off here. That's my crack one. Y'all see that mug crazy. Had to do the zip tie stitch. I don't know, this one's still a good bumper. I might epoxy it and fix it just to keep it on deck. But see if my door is unlocked from my truck. Oh yeah. Bam! Woo! That bitch a little dusty, but it's wet. Time to put it on. And we are done. Yeah. Y'all see my air dam on there? Everything is back in order. Woo! All crispy. And I got the bumper guard trim in there. Yeah. That's the old one. Yeah. And that like swimwear. Perfect match on the car. Ooh, that midnight club stands. Fuck. Shit.